Welcome back to our channel. So you've got your shiny new iPhone and an eSIM ready to set up, but wait, you've only got one device. Don't worry, this is a common scenario, and we're here to make it super easy for you. You won't need a second device or any complicated tools. Today I'm showing you how to set up an eSIM on your iPhone using just a QR code from the email we sent to you. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step. First things first, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. This is crucial because the latest updates often include important fixes and features that will make the eSIM setup smoother. Next, open your Mail app and find the email with your eSIM QR code. Make sure the QR code is clearly visible on your screen. Now, instead of trying to scan it with another device, we're going to use the built-in feature to scan the QR code. Simply press and hold on the image of the eSIM QR code. This will give you the option of installing the eSIM. Tap that option. Your iPhone will automatically read the QR code from the image. It's that simple. The technology does all the hard work for you. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish the setup. And voila! Your eSIM is now set up on your iPhone without needing a second device. It's a seamless process that saves you time and effort. And remember, you can always delete and re-add the eSIM if necessary by going back to the cellular settings. This gives you flexibility if something goes wrong. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Your support means a lot to us. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new eSIM and the convenience it brings.